Hi, and welcome back to my channel. These here are two books that I published through Amazon KDP. If that's something you're interested in seeing, stay tuned. If you want to know more about Amazon KDP, I do have a playlist available on my channel, and I will link it down in the description below. I have published these two books on Amazon KDP, and I am currently selling them. And I wanted to show you them and kind of give you an overview. I will link them down in the description below if you'd like to get a copy. So this book here is a sermon journal, and this here is a dot grid notebook. I'm going to show you the dot grid notebook first and then the sermon journal. So this dot grid notebook is just what the name suggests. It is a notebook filled with dot grid pages. And all of the pages have the dot grid. This dot grid notebook is paperback. It's 6x9. It has 200 pages and it has a matte cover. So here's a close-up of the cover. I actually designed this in Canva. And that video is available on my channel. I will link it down in the description, where I go through how to design a book cover and interior pages for Amazon KDP books. So now I'm going to talk about the sermon journal. This is also a paperback book. It is 8.5 by 11. It has 110 pages and it also has a matte cover. So with the sermon journal cover, I also created it in Canva. The interior pages I made using tangent templates. Now here's a close-up of the sermon journal cover. So this interior is a little bit different than the dot grid notebook. This has two different pages within it. When you open the journal, it gives you a space to write notes about a sermon or message that you may be listening to while you're in church or doing Bible study. This page also gives you a space for the date, who was the speaker, what the topic was, prayer requests, keywords, and further study. When you turn the page, on the back there is a lined piece of paper where you can extend your notes to the back side. And then this page gets repeated. And the last 10 pages of this journal just have lined paper so that if you want to write notes about something else, or if you need to extend notes from another page, you can do that here. So what I was just showing there were a few little spots on the covers. I'm obviously not sure where that comes from, but those marks were on the books when I did receive them. It's not a huge deal because they're, pretty small. The marks are pretty small and you don't really notice it unless you're, focusing on it. But that is something that I noticed with these. And I'm not sure if it's because of the matte cover. I've never tried the glossy cover, but I wonder if I bought any of these books with the glossy cover, if it would have those little marks on it. This concludes my Amazon KDP notebook demo. If you found this video helpful, let me know by hitting the like button. Subscribe for more content like this and other art-related content. Remember to check the description box for everything that was mentioned, including a link to where you can get your own dot grid notebook or sermon journal. And you can also find videos related to the things I mentioned, such as how to design your book cover and interior pages for Amazon KDP. And as always, thanks for watching.